Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best alarm clocks you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many alarm clocks and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each alarm clocks, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an alarm clock. First, think about the type of alarm clock you need, whether it's digital, analog, or smart, depending on your lifestyle and preferences. Next, consider the sound options and volume control, because a good alarm should wake you up without being too harsh or too soft. It's also important to check display brightness and readability, as a screen that's too bright can disturb your sleep. Battery backup is another key feature, ensuring your alarm works even during power cuts. Lastly, think about extra features like USB charging, radio, or Bluetooth, which can add convenience to your daily routine. Choosing wisely can make your mornings smoother and more pleasant. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.